You are welcome to Journey for Christ Digitals. You are welcome once again. Our returnees and our new members, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright. So this is where we share ideas, money making ideas that can help us and that can help our society at large. Alright, so if you are listening to this, that means you are inside the marketing digital marketing free class. So you are welcome to where you are a special VIP to us. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Okay, click on the subscribe button and subscribe so that you won't miss the next classes we are going to share with you. This is the first semester digital class for everyone in this class, and we need to look at something very significant, which is money making mysteries. Yes, that kind of money you are looking after, that kind of money you are running after, there is you need to study it. Most of us go to school to study zoology, to study sociology, and most of us are not working with it. If they include this thing in our scheme of work, money making mystery, we will not struggle because money responds to principles. Money responds to some valuable things like a not sport. If you don't connect it, it will not respond. So that is what money responds to. Okay. So without wasting our time, I'm going to show us some mysteries that money responds. You need to know some things about money. As you all know me, okay, I'm Johnny for digital marketer, a web designer, and a social media marketer. I don't want to talk about myself too much. So check it out. I've trained more than 300 students far back 2019. So to this moment, so if you want to know about me, they'll share the link later. Let's go straight to the business that we are here for, money making mysteries. Alright, so let's check this. Okay, there's a simple but outstanding mystery that the ancient and the wise used to make and manage money efficiently. Yes, open to all but hidden for some of us. Yes, there are some things that people that are rich become richer. Okay, we are going to expose ourselves to the reason why the rich become richer and the poor remain poorer. Yes, so are you ready to learn? So there's a reason for the poor remaining poor and the rich remaining richer every time. So let's look, it's a mystery. Now there are some misconceptions that we need to settle. What they call something misconception, errors about money. So people have this kind of error that money is evil. Biblically, sorry for people that are not a Christian here, okay? There's something we used to say, okay, the love of money is evil. Not that money is evil, it is the love that is evil. You don't need to love money more than your life. Okay, our environment have put this in our heart. So somebody that is very rich and understanding the next is that you think is ritual. Some of what we think is evil, they have done evil. Sometimes we think they have killed someone before they can have that money. No, it's an error and it's affecting most of us. It's affecting us. Okay, so when they talk about 1.2 million naira in a day, we say, if you think it's a scam, no, you can make it in a day. Have a living testimony. Okay, you can make it in a month. Okay, so you can become a millionaire in 24 hours. No, this is coming facing you right blank. Okay, you can't be a millionaire in 21 hours even unless they give out to you in a million hours. Okay, so please don't look for get rich quick scheme. Stop looking for all those kind of scheme. Bring 5,000 naira, get 50,000 naira for where? So let's be careful how far we look for money. The kind of money is not for people like us. Some people believe like that. They talk about any kind of money. It's not for us. It's not for somebody like us. The money can't reach us. As a man thinketh in his heart, so he is. Okay? If you think the money is not for you, the money cannot be for you. Money is hard. Yes, some people believe like that. Money is hard. Money is not hard. Money always connects to another spot. Okay, once you know the secret and the mystery behind money, money is never hard. What will be. Yes, you have some fanatic Christian like that. Okay, fanatic religion. Don't let me use Christian. Religion people, either Muslim, Christian, or traditionalist, they believe that tell them to do this. They tell you that if I do it, whatever will be. If I don't do it, no, it does not respond to money. Okay, money is emotion. It's moving. It's not a static things that whatever will be. No, it can't work. You have to act. Okay, so that kind of money that you want. So that's a lot of errors that you have about money. Okay, you can add your own, but these are the ones that have proven the test of time. The next thing we are going to look at now is characteristics of money. Yes, money has character. Yes, money possesses character. Yeah, money is a workaholic. It hates being idle. Let's look at this scenario. Have you ever experienced a scenario where you receive a particular amount of money and you are like, let me keep this for a while. Later, I will think about what to do with it. Then 3 days later, the money has disappeared. Has it happened to you before? It has happened several times. The money has disappeared. Okay, so money loves to be used. Don't just keep money idle. No, 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 no. Even in banks, bankers, sorry for this secret, even in banks, your money is not there idle. They give your money out for loans. They give your money out to make business. But anytime you ask for your money, I trust the bank, they will surely supply your money to you. Alright? Money is a tool, not an end. Yes, people that when they see money, all their problem has gone. No, 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 no. Money is not an end to any issue. No. Okay? It's just a tool to access your needs and goals and wants and desires. It's just a tools. Okay? It's like a channel to where you are going. It's not an end. Okay? Why do you think the rich keep on doing business to earn more money? They have the money they will spend for all their life. Still, they keep looking for money. It's not an end. It's a tool. Money is intelligent. It hates being in the hands of those uneducated about its capacity. Yeah, that is why we are trying to do this kind of teaching for us. If you don't know the kind of money you are looking for, you are uneducated about it. If they can be teaching us all this in school, it will go a lot of ways in our lives. Okay, you have to know what you are asking for. If the purpose of a thing is unknown, abuse is inevitable. You have to know the kind of money you are looking for. If you are uneducated about that money will be running from you. Yes, money will be running from you. You have to know that it's intelligent. So it needs intelligent being to handle it. Money loves bearing fruit. It always leaves someone who doesn't. Yes, if you don't bear fruit, money will leave you. Okay, most of us we eat our seed. Instead of us to plant some seed. Some little 5k, 10k, 2k, 50k that we have, supposed to use it to invest in ourselves. We use it on turkey, we use it on rice. I'm not saying you should not eat, but there are some money that you need to invest, okay, so that you can bear more fruit for yourself. Alright, so that is something about that. So lastly, before I leave here, how to make money in this season using the VPN strategy. There's a strategy we call VPN, Value Passion Network. Yes. If you want money, be valuable. Okay? Increase your worth. Be useful to society. People will come to you with their money. If you can solve a man problem, they will come to you with their purse. They will give you their purse. Oh yeah, take it. I've done it several times. People will beg you. Okay? There's a way people beg you to give you their money. They will still beg you on top of their money. Passion. Look at yourself. What do you have passion for? There's something in you that you do extraordinarily. Check. Are you a caregiver? Do you have passion to care for babies? Babysit? No, one work on it. Okay? Don't run after what majority are doing. There's something special about you. Check your passion. There's something you can do extraordinarily. Put digital to it, and boom, you arrive. Network. Your network is your net worth. Okay? If your network are poor, your friends, your associates, if they are poor, you will be poor. Okay, if there are people that discuss business-oriented things that will bring a result, you will have results. So check your network. Are they people of value? Are they people that generate you fortune? Okay, look at your sphere of influence, your friends. In the next 2 years, where do you see them? Where do you see yourself with this kind of people? Okay, so using this, I've used this VPN. I've used this VPN, and that's work. If you are valuable, put passion to that value you are creating. Create a network of people. You are in this class because I've created a network with you. Okay? Some of you enter your DM to share number because I love creating network that worth it. So with this, I believe that you know what it entails about the kind of money you are looking after. So if you have any questions, send it to our survey form or platform. Okay, you can send it there. If you have any special thing, you can DM me, alright, or any of our admin. So this is Journey for Christ Visitors. If you don't want to miss out of the next thing, okay, this is just the first semester. If you don't want to miss out of the next thing, make sure you subscribe and like. Click the like button now. Click the like button. I have a special gift for you. If you subscribe and you click the like button, okay, show me the evidence on my DM inside the group. I'm going to share you okay, a complete model book I sell for 5,000 naira, I'm going to give you for free. Money making mysteries. I'm going to give you that book for free that will show you the secret I've used to make millions. Okay, simple strategies that is working, and it will work for you. So if you have done, give me your thumbs up. Okay, share this video, and let's get set for the next class. Thank you.